In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change image opacity in Elementor step by step. This is a really useful trick if you want to make an image more subtle, create a softer background effect, improve text readability, or give your page a more polished and professional look. The best part is that it only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the setting. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe for more quick Elementor tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the page or template that you want to edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor loads, find the image that you want to adjust on the canvas. This can be a standalone image widget, a section background image, or another image element depending on how your page is built. For this tutorial, we're working with an image widget, so click directly on the image to select it. When you do that, you'll see the settings panel open on the left-hand side. Now that the image widget is selected, look at the left panel and click on the Style tab. This is where Elementor keeps most of the visual design options for the widget. Once you're inside the Style tab, look for the Effect section and click to expand it. Inside this menu, you should see the opacity controls for the image. This is the setting that determines how transparent or solid your image appears on the page. Next, find the opacity field. Elementor usually lets you enter a value from 0 to 1. If you type 1, the image stays fully visible and solid. If you type 0, the image becomes completely transparent and disappears from view. A common value to use is 0.5, which gives you a nice half-transparent effect. This is especially useful when you want to place text over an image and still keep the background visible without overpowering the content. You can also adjust the opacity using the arrows in the field. Click the up arrow to make the image more solid, or click the down arrow to make it more transparent. This is helpful if you want to fine-tune the look visually instead of typing the exact number right away. I always recommend making small changes and previewing the result as you go, because the perfect opacity value can depend on your image, your background color, and the overall style of your layout. If you're using opacity for a hero banner, call to action section, or overlay design, try testing a few different values. For example, 0.3 gives a much softer fade, 0.5 creates a balanced see-through effect, and 0.8 keeps the image mostly visible with just a slight transparency adjustment. The right setting depends on whether you want the image to fade into the background or still remain a strong focal point. After you've chosen the opacity value that looks best, don't forget the final step. Go to the top right of the Elementor editor and click Publish if this is a new page, or Update if you're editing an existing one. That saves your changes and makes them live on your website. If you skip this step, your opacity adjustment won't be visible to visitors. And that's it. You've now learned how to change image opacity in Elementor using the Style and Effects settings. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in the overall design of your page. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Elementor tips, and check out the next tutorial for more easy website design tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.